Now you're doing a workshop as well, I
Yes,
believe?
the day before we're doing a workshop on creating smart content. And really, what is smart content? It's a phrase we use at Gilbane about data that is a lot of utility, that can move around and be used in different places. Now, structured content can do that to a degree, but with things like data and componentization and some of the other trends that are happening, we're finding people working more collaboratively with like, let's say, smaller, more granular data objects, and then being able to meet more business needs that they weren't able to do in a classic single source publishing model. So we wrote a paper and we're doing research on it, and we're holding a seminar to kind of discuss these topics. They include things like what are the governance models for creating content in a collaborated environment, what kind of componentization technologies, data, things like that, are being used to manage the structure, and what kind of benefits do they provide. They include benefits like accelerated development and improved interoperability, and there's a couple of surprises that we're finding in this research that we're doing. We're going to cover all this stuff in the webinar, the seminar. Excuse me. We're also going to talk about specifically about things like XBRL and how it enhances companies' ability to report their content, their data to SEC for compliance, and some of the other trends that we were classifying under the category of smart content. So in our lexicon, smart content is content that's both structured and has some semantic meaning and some definition behind it, so that it becomes more versatile than just simply producing different output formats. With structured content, it's clear you can produce web and print and other formats. But what if I have to have variable versions of the web version, and I have to I want to improve my reuse? So that's like the kind of promises we get from DITA and XBRL. So we're going to explore those in this seminar.
Sounds great. And it really, this is a pertinent topic, because even the content creation software, it seems, is starting to focus on creating smart content even.
Yeah, there are all the big editors come with DITA applications built in. There's DITA for rendering. There's tools for creating XBRL. And XBRL sounds like it's only for the financial market, and DITA for tech doc, but no, they're both very, very horizontal as well. So people in classic publishing and pharma and other agencies should look at the techniques we're using in smart content development that they might be able to apply for other data standards, S1000D, SPL, and many of the others.
Excellent.
Great.
Thank you.